kind of family are you when you travel? Adventurers, planners, or staycation lovers? Today, I'm going to show you how to build Airbnb's What Kind of Family Are You quiz using. Outgrow step by step. Whether you want to boost engagement, collect leads, or personalize recommendations, this quiz format is perfect. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Choose the quiz type. Start by logging into the Outgrow dashboard and select Outcome Quiz. This allows us to assign different family types as results like adventure family, relaxed family, luxury family, or budget traveler. Step 2. Pick a template. Outgrow offers a variety of templates. For this quiz, choose a conversational, travel, or family-themed design. Don't worry, you can customize every element later. Step 3. Customize the headline and description. Now, edit your title to what kind of family are you? And add a short description like, discover your family's travel personality and get personalized Airbnb recommendations. Step 4. Add your questions. We'll now add multiple choice questions. The goal is to understand user preferences. Examples. How does your family usually travel? Choose your ideal vacation activity. What's your budget comfort zone? How many people are in your family? Step 5. Create outcomes. Next, add outcomes. For this quiz, we'll create categories like the adventurous family, the chill and relax family, the budget saver family, the luxury family. Each outcome can include images, text, and even Airbnb listing recommendations. Step 6. Map outcomes. Here, assign each answer to an outcome. This makes sure your quiz results are accurate and personalized. Step 7. Customize design. Customize the design to match Airbnb branding like ad logo, website URL, change color of background, question, answer, and components. You can also change or update background images and other details. Step 8. Add lead form. If you want to collect leads, you can insert a form. Step 9. Integrates. Outgrow integrates with Salesforce, Marketo Engage, Uber, MailChimp, and other CRM to send Outgrow lead data to other apps. Step 10. Preview and test. Now preview and test your quiz across all devices, for desktop users to ensure optimal performance and layout, for tablet users to maintain visual and functional consistency, and for mobile users to ensure that text, images, and paragraphs display properly in a fully responsive format. Step 11. Publish and share. Finally, publish your quiz. You can embed it on your website, landing pages, social media, emails. Outgrow gives you a ready embed code and share links. And that's it. Your Airbnb-style quiz is live, built in just a few minutes using Outgrow. Start your 7-day free trial on Outgrow and make your own personalized travel quiz today.